Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today I bring you this recipe. All ingredients in my description of this video. You will need red or green apples, butter, flour, ground cinnamon, vanilla but it's optional, brown or white sugar, raw oats, salt, biscuit dough, and a silicone mold or whatever you have. First, we will clean the work table and place flour on it, so that the dough doesn't stick. Now let's open the package. Please read carefully the instructions. In the rolling pin, we are going to add flour too. And now we are going to knead with the roller until it's thin. Now we are going to place the dough on the mold. And we are going to put it aside for later. We are going to peel the apples. And don't forget to freeze this. To make a Peruvian purple drink called chicha morada. And don't worry guys, the recipe will be on the screen or to the end of this video. Now we are gonna chop the apples into small pieces. In the pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. When it's melted, add the apple. Then add sugar to taste. And remember, if you use red apple, it's sweeter. If it's green apple, it's more acidic. So there you will need more sugar. Now we will add a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon and optional vanilla. Mix everything very well. And we have our filling ready to place in the basket and the mold. Just in case, with 2 apples is enough for 3 baskets. Now we will prepare the topping. In a pan, melt butter, add sugar to taste, cinnamon, flour, and mix well. Finally, we are gonna add the oats. I just remind you, all ingredients are in the description below, okay? We have the topping ready. So now we are going to place on top of the filling, and we are going to bake these baskets at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm using the electric oven, but you can use the regular oven. And this is the final result. They are very cute. My entire house smells so good. And guys, I hope you like my recipe. If yes, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new today. And don't forget, follow me on my social media. I'm going to invite a little piece of apple to my doggie. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has her own videos Saturdays on my channel, and she's with me every Wednesdays in my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.